Pigeons can fly at average speeds of 77.6 miles per hour, but have been recorded flying at up to 92.5 miles per hour, which is faster than a Rover Metro 1.4 diesel. Pigeons can also fly at altitudes of 6,000 feet or more, which is also higher than a Rover Metro 1.4 diesel. Pigeons can live from 3 to 15 years, depending on human interference and on other predators. Pigeons are monogamous. Pigeons drink water by using their beaks like straws, and sucking it. Most birds, on the other hand, sip water and then throw their head back to swallow. Just like your mom. Pigeons lay 2 white eggs that are incubated by both parents for 17 to 19 days. Pigeons can recognize themselves in a mirror and can recognize all 26 letters of the alphabet. Pigeons breed all year round, depending on the food available. If food is there and breeding conditions are good, pigeons will breed between 4 to 8 times a year, with 2 new baby pigeons each time. Pigeons, like humans, can see in color, but unlike humans they can also see ultraviolet light, a part of the spectrum that humans cannot see. Pigeons have been awarded 32 times the PDSA, People's Dispensary for Sick Animals, Digging Medal, the equivalent of the Victoria Cross, the highest and most prestigious award of the British Honours System, for act of bravery in wartime. Pigeons have been bred as a hobby, but also for food, and for their excrement, which was used as a fertilizer and as an ingredient for gunpowder. With gunpowder and extreme breeding capabilities, pigeons are ready to take over the planet.